Good afternoon, everyone. We will get started in 4 minutes. Compose some tickers and stuff. Catch you guys in a bit. Good morning, everyone. Hello. What up? Good afternoon. Guys can post some tickets and stuff as usual. Questions, you know the deal. I will get back to you guys in a bit. Let me just go through Twitter. Got to catch up with a few questions and charts and all that stuff. ATPC. So the question with ATPC is a falling wedge? Nope. It's in a downtrend though, can tell you that much. So we have a downtrend. I'm going to go through this candle wick just so you guys can get a nice image on this. Actually, maybe it's a falling wedge. Yeah, you could possibly take this if you want to now for an entry. If you want to take this for an entry, you could try and take some if you want to. I will not be taking it. I don't like to trade whilst I'm doing this. So I've got a lot of things on my mind. But yeah, we'll see. Demand zone. We have demand zone right here. We have a falling wedge. Usual setup. Everyone who follows me on Twitter should know. People in the Discord know this for a fact. They know this. They know this setup. If you don't know what a falling wedge is, get to know. Worth entries. If you want to take it, you are more than welcome to take it. More than welcome. Right, will it hit $18 today? Please don't ask me a stupid question like that because I'm going to give you a stupid answer. How am I going to know, brother? 550, I always, yes. 5 minute time frame is all I use. 5 minute. That's all I use. Nothing else. Keep it easy, consistent. Toro. Oh, hollow, sorry. Not Toro, hollow. Hollow needs the downtrend break. There is no downtrend break, therefore there is no entry. So you have to wait. Hollow needs downtrend break. Needs the downtrend break. You have to wait. Yeah, let's like up the stream, guys. Like it up. It's free to do so. Free. Hollow needs downtrend break. I'm assuming they deleted the message, so I will have to post it. Hollow downtrend break needed. Yeah, nothing on this. Market looked good when I went to bed last night. Woke up, there was some nice movers. I don't know who took Lumen, but Lumen I alerted it 3 times in the Discord. Made some serious money. Pre-market's been it's been an absolute breeze, pre-market. I think I mastered pre-market. Don't want to talk too soon, but in the last 3 weeks, it's been absolutely phenomenal. Making serious money here in the Discord. Free money in the Discord. Even giving you guys some of the plays on Twitter as well, but I mean, 6, 7 alerts I think I gave today. I'm doing TLT chart. That's funny. Let me see. TIVC. TIVC, former runner, but there's nothing on this. Just zoom out of the chart, identify what's going on. Let's go to a large time frame. It is... I'm going to use this trend here so we can say it's bearish at the moment, unfortunately. But it is a former runner, so just keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. TIVC, wait for downtrend break. Right, let's like up the stream, guys. Like it up. Any questions, charts, anything, I'll go over in a minute. So give me a minute. With that, I'm just going through Twitter. Lucy. Everyone loves this Lucy stock. Lucy's up 5%, but there's nothing on it. Sadly, there is nothing on it yet. I know this does like to run, so you keep it on your watch list if you are interested. But for me, just going to keep it simple. No volume equals no need to look at it. Don't care. Lucy needs volume. All these plays need volume. SGMO, CGBX, CGTX, sorry. CGTX, what's happening with this thing? 3% down. Yeah, for me personally, nada, nothing, zero. Leave it alone. Maybe it's reversing, but just for confirmation, you need that downtrend break. So needs downtrend break. Needs the downtrend break. Needs the downtrend break. ATPC. ATPC's got a nice bullish pennant here. All right, ATPC, bullish pennant. Actually, it's a bearish pennant, so I'm just gonna put pennant here. So it's actually bearish. Coming from a downtrend, should go down. All right, let's see. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Hello. VBIV, ascending triangle. Maybe, yeah, could be. Could be, yeah. I'm assuming you have something like this. Yeah, it could be. Yep. I'm just waiting for, or I'm not waiting, but your entries are above here. You need a candle to close above like this. Right, like that. Then you can look for your entries like that. But if it does this, no closure above equals no entries. PRST. PRST is still bearish. I know it's up 22%, but I'm looking at the overall trend. If you are trying to consider some entries soon, I would wait for around the zero. I mean, this thing is 3 cents. Just leave it alone. Leave it alone. 3 cents. I mean, I don't know. Delisting, I'm assuming. Sure. Agree. Agree's got no volume, nothing on this. I don't know, nothing for me on this. I'm actually going to remove it from my watch list. Nothing. TENX, I'm assuming. These are your levels here. 550, close above, room to 610. Looks good. Very bullish, Lumen. Yes, Fig, bro. Let's go. Sava, I think this was the crazy movie yesterday, right? Yeah, 20%. This thing's insane. So right now, it's needing to break above this level, 3850. This is your new resistance level. So we can remove this. Demand zone, doesn't matter. Doesn't even matter here. We can just identify what's going on. We identify that. This is your area of resistance. So we need to close above 3858 for any entries. So Sava, wait for 3850 for entries. Oh, 3858, same thing. Fubu. What's Fubu? I don't know Fubu. Do it to us. Yeah, someone asked me, Khalid, about the Twitter subscription to do one and give them some setups, but it's a little too difficult to do that because I don't really know how I would organize it. I don't really want to charge people for my Twitter posts because I'm just sharing my knowledge there. But Everything is in the Discord. If I enter any plays, entry, stop loss, how I trade, the seminars, everything teaching is what people pay for both myself and Hassie. They teach, or they get the alerts there, the live swing trades, seminars, management plan, risk management plan, all that kind of stuff. But I don't really know how I would filter a Twitter subscription for people, because someone asked me previously. I just don't really know how I would do it, because my main focus is if you want the alerts and you want to basically learn how we trade, that's what people pay for. But even if I did a Twitter subscription, I don't really know how it would work, to be honest. But yeah, any suggestions? Maybe could, if something was worth it, then maybe I would do it. This thing is down. T and NK is down 25%. So nothing on this. I know it ran 100. What? 192% yesterday. That's pretty insane. I'm going to go through these candle wicks just like this. I mean, yeah, just nothing on this. I would just avoid it for now. How do you know there's no volume? Simply, the easiest way to identify volume is just look at, right? Just look at the candles. It's very easy to do so, right? If you want to get technical and look at the amount, right? The traded volume, you can just go to the volume indicator and you can see. But it's very simple. I just make it very easy for myself to understand where's the volume. And for me, a shortcut is just looking at top gainers. All of them have volume. You can see by the candles. This doesn't have a lot of volume. How do I know that? Look at these dots. This dot here, these dots are lack of volume. All these weird bunched candles, it's not very clear, right? Compare that to these candles. Look, it's clear. Volume, no volume, right? It's literally as simple as that. Maxin, nothing on Maxin. It's still bearish. Nothing on Maxin. Buru, former runner. Yeah, Buru is just up, down, up, down, up, down. Up. Nothing on Buru. Yeah, Buru downtrend. Buru downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. I mean, it could be a bullish pennant if you want to get very forced set up on this. It's not, yeah, it needs volume. How do I know it needs volume? Look at the size of this candle. Look how small these two candles are compared to these plays with volume, right? So that is all, just low volume. Needs volume. Volume, volume, volume is all you need to trade. That's it. No problem, no problem. How did you do? What up, what up, what up? Lucid. What time frame are you looking at for a bullish pennant? If you give me a time frame, I can help you. But at the moment, it's in a downtrend, needs to reclaim 350, then 385, then 437. Fubu, yeah, I assumed it was Fubu. Fubo, sorry. Did they have earnings? What do they have? News? Nice. 158 is your major resistance, so we have a double top there. Close above that, you have clean range. I'll look to where next, but we'll see. This does like to run though. Market is seeming it's alright. It's not too bad, to be honest, but my money is all made in pre-market. I'm probably going to be focusing a lot more on that until the market does get better, because there's no point in forcing setups during intraday if they're not very well. But with that being said, yesterday was amazing in intraday. 4 out of 5 green trades. Just a lot of people struggle because they don't have patience. Like, they probably sold the stock, alerts, all that kind of thing, because it wasn't running 2 seconds after I alerted, or they just didn't have the patience to wait for the play to actually run, you know? So that is the difference in trading. You just got to trust the strategy. I trust it every single day. If I lose, I lose 3%. If I win, I make 3 to 5%. That's it. Needs 158 break. Yeah, Fubo can be something to play. Or to keep this on watch, because it is a former runner. I know it does like to run as well, so just keep on watch. I know it had some news, but we'll see, we'll see. LYT's coming down. It's in demand zone. Looks like reversing. Yeah, it's worth entries, LYT. Definitely worth entries here. Falling wedge, demand zone. Yeah, nice. Look for 3 to 5%. Could aim for 3 to 5% on this. Looks good. So I would enter now if I was you. I'm not entering, but yes, you can enter if you would like to. Right, let's get this stream liked up. 112 people, 28 likes. That is very weak. Lazy people. Come on, guys. The demands of what do you have? 325. This, if you're looking for a demand zone on this on the 5 minute, this is your demand zone here. You could maybe use this one. Is this what you had? You had 313. This, you could either have this as your demand zone or you could have down here, you know? So that's what you could have. 5 minutes. Oh, okay. 5 minute on Lucid. No, maybe, I don't know, it's just low volume. I'd focus more on a larger time frame setup on this. You have, it's not really a bullish pennant, you need more touches. I don't like the volume on this, so not really, no, unfortunately. No worries, EB, no worries. Do you hold? No, I do not hold any plays overnight unless I'm swing trading, but I have not been swing trading. Since last week, I sold everything on Tuesday, so I'm not swing trading in this market because the market is very weak, recession news, all that kind of stuff, a lot of pullback. So wait till the market is a swing market, then I will look to hold plays, but I don't hold my plays overnight. I like to start fresh every single day. That's just mentally, it works best for me because I don't want to be holding these plays overnight. A lot of times they do just get dumped as well. It's very difficult to know which ones run. 10x is right here. These are your key levels. So you're pretty much moving all the way up. 10x moving up. 550, then 610 is your next level after that. After that. Let's see. ZVRA. ZVRA, just keep this on watch. This was my runner yesterday. 9% alert, which was fantastic. Close above $8 and you have 830 resistance. So keep that on watch. VSEE, just a little low volume. What else next? Lumen, chillin'. Fubos, chillin'. Drama, just got this on watch, former runner. MGOL, I've just got this on watch because we have potential move on this. We'll see. But we can see what's happening here. This is our demand zone. Last red candle for the move. We're heading into it, looking like we're trying to reverse off it. But I'm not going to be just taking an entry because it's in the demand zone. I have to wait for extra confirmation because when there is a lack of volume on these plays, it's difficult to know. Mira, I'm going to just remove this one, not interested. VBIV, nothing. That's why you wait for a close above here. If you try to enter there, that was a gamble and you are down now and you are very upset because you didn't listen. You are down 15% and probably trying to buy more for some reason. SGMO. Looking good. Close above $1 on the 5 minute. Worth entries in my opinion. Luna. What's happening with Luna? Luna's up 5%. It does not look too good. Does not look too... I mean, it might be reversing, but Luna's still bearish. Still bearish, unfortunately. We have MBLY. Let's have a look. MBLY is not looking too good, but we can just focus on this current price action. We just focus on this. Personally, nothing on this for me. It's too bearish. Just focus on that mover. MBLY needs downtrend break. Right, like up the stream, guys. Let's go. That's what we need to focus on. Yep. Lumen, MBLY, LYT. LYT is good. Yeah, LYT is good. I mentioned people should be in this trade. I mentioned here 275. 275. You're aiming 275, 3%. You know what to do. Around 275, 283. 284 is your target. There goes SGMO. You should be in this trade. Close above the $1. Looks like you can look for entries. XPON, XPON. 41%. Sub $1 play. Another one that's been beaten down a lot. Obviously, it had news. That is why it's up. But yeah, you just have to be simple with these trades is that a lot of them fade out, so they don't really hold their gains. Like, yeah, they're running now, but if this is going to run for the rest of the day, it needs to hold these levels. Very, very important. I would say at least about 0.4. So XPON needs to break above downtrend. You know? So just make it easy. Wait for the downtrend to break, then look for your entries. But don't try and enter now. It's not worth it. Seriously, just chill out on it. SMFL, nothing on this. Market's moving though. A lot of plays are up. SMFL trying to reverse. You know, we can see that support level, strong bullish candles, volumes coming in hot. ASTS is actually a good setup. From what I remember, I did a chart on it. Yeah, ASTS, look, downtrend breaks are now here, same thing. This is a very bullish chart in my opinion because we are respecting this. I'm gonna go like that. Yeah, it's expected to break out. As long as you get this volume here, it should continue to go up. But remember, the market hasn't been great since Friday, but we'll see what happens today. It looks like it's picking up though. So this is a bullish pennant. You expect price to break out. If you're entering, you always enter inside of this chart pattern. You are entering anywhere inside of the pattern. So you're entering anywhere here, in here. You're not entering up here. You're not entering down here, right? So if you want to enter, I would look maybe around 1850, or you could enter here. Just make sure you have a stop loss. Stop loss is the most important thing you can do in trading. PITA, Peter. Peter, nothing on Peter. Nothing. No volume, nothing. Nothing for me, unfortunately. Sorry. SGMO, key levels we have. Go to the 4 hour, look left. We have. I hope people got in this one. It's free money for everyone. Everyone should be rich. It's literally up 5%. Here's your levels. Right here. SGMO 114, 120, 114, 120. Nice. Right. Indo. This is just gonna move the inverse of the market, guys. So I don't know, whatever happens with the market, when the market's coming down, this will just follow. But it'll go in the inverse. But for me, nothing. 385, maybe you could look for entries. But don't try and enter now. It's down 12%. Not worth it. Serve, you want to know if it seems demand zone is 1475. Here, this is your last red candle. Look, 5-minute chart, last red candle for the move to the upside is here. This to this to this. So here is your demand zone. No worries, Haley. Demand zone. So downtrend, maybe wait for it to pull back into here, but nothing now. Now you're in like no man's land. PayPal. What's happening with PayPal? PayPal got rocked with the rest of the market. Man, swings got rocked. I got stopped out of all my swings, sadly. Not good, but that's what happens. PayPal currently bearish. Let me have a look at something real quick. What plays are moving? VBIV, XPON, Lumen. How's XPON looking? Still moving or not? XPON's looking good. LYT is looking fantastic. I would still be in this. It's free money. It's free. VSEE, not really interested. Lumen, maybe. Fubo, no. 10X, no. Drama, no. Serve, no. MGOL, not really. VBIV, gotta wait. ATPC, gotta wait for that downtrend break on this. So ATPC, you have that bullish pennant that was on a large time frame from what I remember, and then you have this right now, which is a downtrend. Look, larger time frame setup, it's a bearish pennant. So look, price is coming from a high to a low, so it's going like this, right? So that is not good. So look, this is red, right? Because you expect price to come down. But if the pennant started like this from the bottom and ran up, then you get like this price action, then you should expect it to go up, you know? So that is what you have. Guys, I posted it. People need to use their eyes just a little bit on Twitter. Just a little bit. Once you use your eyes, everything will be very clear for you to understand what's going on. Because a lot of times I post the chart and you have not seen it. So open the eyes, have a look, and then you'll see it. You know? You know. Right, anything else, guys? Any other questions? Anything else in general? You know? So next week, I won't be here next week because it is my birthday on Tuesday. So I am going to be taking pretty much the whole week off. I might trade like Wednesday or something in the Discord. But yeah, I will see. I just want to take a little break. Summer staycation I'm going to do. So haven't really had a break in like 3 years. So need to just take a little break to refresh the mind. So next week I won't really be here. I won't be doing YouTube, that's for sure. But yeah, I'll just be posting. I'll do some flashcards or something for Twitter. And I will post some educational content for you guys. But yeah, Discord guys, Hassie will be here. We'll be there next week. All of next week. RGC 11%. Yeah, not bad. Keep it on watch. RGC watch the downtrend break. Watch the downtrend break. Yeah, it needs a downtrend break for anything. Let me have a look on the smaller time frame. 5 minute chart. Nothing here. I know it's up 11%, but nothing. Lumen. Wait for 393 if you want to look for entries. And you have this 408. 408 your main resistance. So we have here. We have here. Like this. There we go. Good for you playing? Yeah, I am. I am going to be playing golf. I'm going to be staying at a nice hotel. Just kind of chill out for a bit. Get my mind off trading. Need a little break. It's good to take a little break once in a while, especially if you've been doing this every day for like 12 hours straight. Thanks for charting. No problem. Congratulations. Thank you. SGMO Hiffer. Yeah. People should be in that one. That was a very easy trade. That was a very simple trade. I literally explained to people what they need to do. So candle close above there. Look, it ran 10%. So that's free money for everyone. Haley, I'm glad you took it. Well done for listening. Well done. See, the people in the Discord listen. People who are not in the Discord don't listen. Go. You know? So well done. ATPC. GameStop. GameStop's moving a little. It's moving. I like AMC. I really like this chart. I like this chart. It looks good. Larger time frame's nice. Look. Daily looking solid. Solid. CNTM. Ooh, CNTM is a no-go. No-go. No, CNTM, stay far away, brother. Stay far away. So they're not looking too shabby. Did anyone trade Hood yesterday? I heard I had a fantastic day. CNTM, need downtrend break. Who took Hood yesterday? Anyone trade it? I got stopped out my swing on that bad boy. Good. The longer you stay away from bad calls, the less people will be in the red because of you. You made a lot of people invest in yellow line, never fails, all your pineapple stock. The longer you stay away from bad calls, the less people will be in the red. Hope you have fun. Thank you, Claudio. Thank you. Some stickies bag holding. Deep in the bags. The funny thing is that none of us were ever... The thing is, and this is what people don't understand, and which makes me laugh, is because it's complete ignorance when people write something like that, because they think that we're in the trade, right? When... If you know anything about trading, which from your comments, it seems like you have zero knowledge, right? And the fact is that if we get into any trade, we have to wait for confirmation. Just because there's a yellow line, it doesn't mean it's going to do it, right? So it's funny because everyone, if they're jumping it on Twitter, right? Fair enough. Yeah, they think it's going to go up. And majority of the time, I would say 99.999% of the time it goes up, right? People are making the money, but people in the Discord know we just wait. If we get into a trade, we wait for our confirmation. Once we get that, then we enter our trade. So just because I post on Twitter doesn't mean we're in or anything, which is the benefit of being in the Discord, you know. Needs downtrend break. So yeah, once you understand trading and learn a little bit, right, and try and think that just the yellow line means buy, then you got a lot of learning to do, brother. Anyways, LYT looks good. It looks good. Shall I draw the yellow line, everyone? Shall I draw the yellow line? Shall I draw the yellow line for Sticky? I think he's in a sticky situation. Oh, Sticky Ricky. ZVRA. What are we saying? VSEE. Nothing on this. Just, yeah. I mean, the thing is, I don't have to clarify myself on anything, you know? I don't have to clarify myself on anything. 10x. What are we thinking here on 10x? 10x downtrend break. We can look for an entry. So just wait for that. Wait for that downtrend break on it. But yeah, looks good. This would be probably a top mover today, so we'll keep it on watch. Just because, just to clarify for Mr. Sticky Boy, that just because I say this has good potential to run, it doesn't mean buy now. Okay? Okay. How many candles do you wait for confirmation? I use the 5 minute to enter my trades, and I use confluences for my trades. So confluences can be indicators, it can be candlesticks, it can be different types of chart patterns. There's a lot of things, psychological levels, you know. So there's a lot of different things that that give me the confirmation. Good morning. What up? What up? What up? What up? Indo. What is Indo doing? Indo is nothing. 385 is what you can wait for. Otherwise, nada, nothing, zero. SGMO, well done if you got in this one. Well done. ATPC, nothing yet. VBIV. This one's a good one to watch because if it breaks 1213, you have a lot of room to the upside. So get this one on watch. Do not enter now, please. Wait for the confirmation. Your confirmation is a candle close above here. You know? MGOL, lack of volume. No, I'm just going to remove this off my watch list. Too much to watch. TWU? No, nothing. Serve, just keep this one on watch as well. Looks good, looks decent. Not bad, not bad. Drama, this one always seems to run, so we'll keep it on watch as well. 10x, you know the deal. Downtrend break, you can look for your entry. Fubo, 158 is what you need. Wait for 158. VSE, nothing. Chilling in this demand zone here. ZVRA. ZVRA I just have on watch because it ran yesterday, that's all. Yep. Lumen looks nice. Lumen looks good. Higher risk entries would be a close above 393 here. You can use the 1 minute or 5 minute time frame, 20 minute, daily, weekly, yearly, 20-second, whatever time frame you decide. But closure above here, you can look for your entries, or you can be patient and wait for 408 closure above. So you can decide. LYT, I like this. Mullen, M-U-L-N. Let me have a look at Mullen. Mullen, wow, 36%, nice. So we have this here. We can have a nice little $1 psychological. I always do this. I always just mark the psychological levels. $1, $1.50, $2, $2.50, 3, 4, 5, 6, you know. So we have the 4 hour here. Mullen, it's got a nice little breakout here. News, I'm assuming. Yes, there was news. Let's have a look. So we got a runner. Wait, where's the $1 line? We got the $1 line here. So we just keep that on watch because we know if it closes above a psychological level, there is a probability that it will probably continue to go up, right? So that's what we need to wait for. Mullen, wait for close above $1. So we'll see what this one does today. We know that's a former runner, all those things, a lot of bag holders kind of thing, trade. We'll see. Wasn't VBIV. Wasn't VBIV the one with the gap fill? Probably. Yep, it was. You are correct. Yeah. Yeah. But right now, look, there's nothing for me. Nothing. Closure above, then you have room. Range up. Sticky definitely thinks his blockbuster stock is going to the moon. It is what it is. Let him. GOVX. I do trade this stock well, but at the moment it's bearish, unfortunately, Khaled, bro. So nothing on this yet. Yo, thanks, Paul, for that. Guys, Lumen does have earnings tonight. Lumen. LYT. People are in this, right? I mean, I gave this already, so people should be in it. 283 is what you should look for your 3 to 5%, because I mentioned it. 273. VSE is pushing up a little. It's cooking. 10x, nothing. Drama, nothing. Surf, not really. Mullen, need to hold that $1, remember? ATPC, keep this on one on watch as well. I actually like this setup. It looks pretty good. So we can watch this one and make sure that it holds, I would say, get above 0.15. OYTX1, CMND. So yeah, at the moment, these are all the plays. This isn't in any order here, guys. The blue is just over $1. Orange is sub $1. And then from there, I'm just focusing on my setups when market opens. So we'll see what happens. Some of them are former runners. Some of them ran last week. But most of them are the ones that I've ran this morning. So Drama's a former runner. Serve's a former runner. Lumen's a former runner. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. SGMO is a former runner. But this looks good. It's over $1 now, so I can put it in blue. So we can just organize it. Organization is key, so I can get very quick at identifying what I need to watch. Let me see here. LYT, it's looking good. Push it. All right, guys, I'm going to be here for a few minutes. So if you have any other questions, anything in regards to the Discord, Twitter, just trading in general, any general questions, feel free to ask. And I will go over them. Be here for a few minutes, and I'm going to head back into the Discord. Do some live trading and then call it a day. Call it a day. Pretty much finished in terms of my trading, but I will be giving alerts as normal in Discord. But pre-market was extremely good. 5 out of 5 green trades, 100%. 100%. SGMO, damn. Anyone still in SGMO? If you are, GG's, lol, sticky boy, yeah. All right, no more trolling on Sticky Boy. Shame. How big are my shoes? Does size matter, Dylan? Does the size matter? How many fingers? Yo, it's going. So if you got it around here, this closure above, you're up 8%. VSE 10x, nothing on that. Why do you trade pre-market? I trade pre-market because I'm very good at it. I've been very successful trading pre-market. I much prefer it, to be honest, recently with compared to intraday. But just because there's no stop loss, it's just managing your risk. Like I'm only trading with 10. I'm going up to 15% of my account per trade. So if I have $1,000, I'm trading with $100 per trade. And then from there, I have max 7% stop loss. So if I lose the trade, I'm only losing $7. That's just an example. I'm not trading with $100 in pre-market, but yeah. I apply my strategy that I learned over the years, and then I just apply it to pre-market. That's all. So the only thing I do manage my risk is just trading smaller size. That's all. Obviously, because you can't have a stop loss. But yeah, I'm in one trade, maximum 2 at a time. But usually I'm just in one. I wait. Dylan. How do you find a buy? For me personally, I prefer it. I traded when I was in the US as well, but I much prefer trading in Dubai because I like to wake up early and do things in the morning, and pretty much it gets my day started. I wake up like 6 a.m., 5:30, 6 a.m. And then I start post my watch list for the Discord, and then some other trade breakdowns and things I have to do for the Discord, recaps and all that. And then I get on with my morning. I go play golf, I go to the gym, go for lunch, go and do my thing. Go hang out and stuff during the day. And then I work a lot more than I should in terms of like being at my screen. Like I'm pretty much here from pre-market open to lunchtime US. So like I would say like 8-9 hours straight. But yeah, I like it. I mean, I don't really have to start trading at 12 p.m., which is here Dubai, which is lunchtime. The best time to trade pre-market is like, I would say 2-3 hours into pre-market. So like 3 p.m. here. Then pre-market opens at 5:30 p.m. market opens here. And then, yeah, I trade from 5:30 from intraday, do live trading for an hour, or do this for like 30 minutes, live trade for an hour. And then after that, live trade for an hour, give alerts. That's where a majority of our alerts are in the Discord, like the first hour, 2 hours. And then after that, we pretty much chill. If there are any other setups, we give them. I go have dinner, come back for a few hours, and then call it a day. But yeah, that's kind of my schedule in terms of trading. But I don't really need to be here pre-market, but I much prefer it. And I know a lot of people do make good money off pre-market as well. So it's just an advantage for those who are awake early. Obviously, we have some people from the UK or Europe, some from Dubai and Saudi. But yeah, most US people are pretty much sleeping. But for those who are up, they are trading with me pre-market as well. Tigers, ketamine. That's right. Yes, early bird catch the worm. I love waking up early. I love it. I love it. I love it. Much prefer it. Sounds like long days, but nice. Yeah, I mean, it's not really that long. I mean, if I didn't have a Discord and I didn't have this to run, I literally would trade for probably 20-30 minutes maximum a day and call it a day and go do my thing. So yeah, that's kind of how I trade, because I've obviously developed a very profitable strategy, and I'm very consistent in my trading. Whether the market is in now this current condition with the recession, it doesn't make a difference to me, because the way I've developed my strategy is there are always runners. There's always stocks that have news, earnings, catalysts, technical breakouts, all that kind of stuff. And then from there, we just trade those volume plays. There's always those plays, right? So if the market goes in an inverse way, then we just trade, obviously, the oil plays. But yeah, like I said, no matter the market conditions, still apply the same thing. And that's kind of how I do it. But yeah, it's just more the main reason why I mention every day to people who are joining the Discord or just haven't become successful in trading yet is because you don't have patience. If you actually journal your trades and you realize and look over a month, 2 months, 3 months and look at your trading, right? You will notice that you probably aren't disciplined because you're not sticking to 5 trades maximum a day. You're not taking 2 losses in a row moving on. You're not having the right risk management plan. You don't have those things in place. So you're very inconsistent with your results. Yes, you might win more, but your losses are much more, you know. So it all accounts in that sense. But people know in the Discord, I do pretty much the same thing every single day. 2 losses in a row, we call it a day, we lose. It happens. It's normal, you know. And one thing to know is transparency is key, guys. Like if you're gonna hide the fact that you're trying to say you're winning trades and all this stuff, you're just not gonna get anywhere. It's gonna eat you up, and you know karma's gonna come around the corner. So I'm going to attack next week, which I'll be on Eastern. Would I have to wait 7 a.m.? You're going to be in Indiana. Wait, Eastern time, yeah, Indiana, CST, right? You're going to be in Illinois, sorry, Chicago, I'm assuming. But yeah, it's an hour earlier. Pre-market's best, yeah, exactly. Because there's only like 4 or 5 runners, not even 3, 4 runners. Focus on those plays, and they're the ones that run. 9 times out of 10, they run. At least one of them runs. Every single morning, at least one of them runs. That's just kind of is. And Canada, yeah. LYT. LYT is here, still falling wedge demand zone. It's still valid as long as it stays in this demand zone. As long as it holds 255 level, should be good. Missouri, yeah. So I'm going out of town next week, which they are an hour behind. Yeah, so you'll just have to wake up earlier. That's all it really means. But if it's going to affect your schedule, I wouldn't force anything. But the best time to trade is, I would say, 2 hours, 3 hours into pre-market is where the best setups are. And that's where I'm on and start sharing setups and so on. I figure the greatest mistake is greed. Instead of those 5% or 5 for 1%. Yeah, exactly. I mean, the thing is, right? The thing is that it's very important, right, to be realistic with your trading. You see all of this stuff on Twitter. Everything's there. Everyone's showing 100% moves, 1,000% on the option trades, all this stuff. Guys, guaranteed you, people are down, right? They're down because that is not what they're achieving every day. It's impossible to make 1,000%, 500, 200% on your account a day. It's impossible to do it every day, right? I teach people in the Discord, and I know, and I've proved it, 1% on your day, on your account a day is more than enough. That is a very ultra conservative way of trading. But if you can achieve 1% account in your day, you're making 5% a week, 20% a month. Go to any hedge fund. You can set up any hedge fund you want in the world, and you can retire and live the life you want to make 1% a day, right? And that's a very ultra conservative way. The way is you get this strategy in place, and you develop a profitable strategy. You can do whatever you want, right? Whatever you want. SYTA, let me have a look. Right, I'm about to go into the Discord here. SYTA, low volume. SYTA, nothing. Down. Downtrend, bearish. Nothing on this, unfortunately. Yes, Lord Vale, or Lord Vel. I have since 2022 in April, I think, when we started the Discord. Every single alert that I've given in the Discord is posted there. Over 6,000 trades now are all given there, with an average, I would say, around 73 to 75% win rate over 5,000 trades, 6,000 trades. So everything's there. Every single daily recap, weekly, monthly recap is all there given in Discord. Full transparency on every single alert that I give. So everything is there. So any questions about stuff, Discord members don't really ask about that stuff because it's all there. It's transparent. And it's very clear and easy to see. 3% stop loss. You can see everything there. Wins, losses. Like yesterday, we had 4 green, 1 red. Day before, 100%. Day before, we had 2. Yes, on Thursday, we had 2 green, 3 red. Then the day before, we had 100%. Then we had 80%. Then we had 75%, 100%, 80%, 40%, 80%, 80%, 100%, 100%. You know? So it's all there. Everything's there. But that's just for you guys, just to see the transparency. That's all. It's kind of more of a thing for everyone to see that I lose, I win. It's normal. I'm a normal person. I'm not a robot that makes 100% every day, because it's a load of BS if you think it's possible to do that, you know? I don't know if my Robinhood switches. You should try and get, Haley should honestly get Weeble. It will change your life. Trust me. Because you're going to be missing a lot of the moves already, you know? I'm going to do Apple chart, and then I'm going to head into the Discord. All right, members? I'll see you guys there. Guys, here's the link as well. Someone's asked me about this. Here we go. There's the link. That is the link. There's no Telegram, unfortunately. Sorry. All we have is a WAP. WAP, you have access to all the live seminars. And then from there, you have also access to the intro video and things like that. But all the alerts and everything, that's in the Discord. So, gap fill. Exactly, yeah, short watch, exactly. So that's the thing. Like, if you don't journal your trades, and I keep saying it every day to everyone, because once they understand that it's very important to understand, you will be a lot more consistent, because you'll understand what's going wrong, right? That's it. You'll understand what's going wrong, what's doing well, you know? Yes, I've been trying to put $100 in, but it won't let me trade it. Maybe you have to let the fund settle, Haley. I'm not too sure. Make sure you got a cash account as well. Yes, Weeble, you can literally start from pre-market open, which is like 3 a.m. EST. Pre-market. As soon as pre-market opens, you can trade. All right. I'm going to head into Discord. Discord members, I'll send out the live trading link in like 15 minutes. I'll catch you guys then. Thank you guys, everyone on Twitter, for joining. I appreciate you all. Make sure you guys are going through our YouTube videos as well. So if you guys can do me a favor, yeah, subscribe if you haven't. I would much appreciate it. And I will catch you guys all tomorrow. Thanks again for joining, guys. I appreciate it all. Thank you. Bye-bye.